This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 270BN is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, oven, skylight, spare tire kit, slide-out, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, microwave, DVD player, awning, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, front dinette, outdoor kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 270BN is 7,876 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.